Hi friends, myself Sugnan Shivayogi Abhigiri. So here I am going to share some aptitude based knowledge to all of you. So here is the first aptitude question. The question says that there are 5 working days in a regular week and for each day the working hours are 10 and man earns rupees 2.5 per hour for regular work and rupees 12.5 per hour for overtime. If he earns rupees 550 in 4 weeks, how many hours did he work? Here the question asking is how many hours did the man work during 4 weeks to get amount 550 rupees. So first let us write down the data given in the question. As the question says 1 week has 5 working days. Let me write it as WD. And in one day work is of 10 hours 10h. So here they gave that man works for 4 weeks. So for 4 weeks there will be 5 into 4 working days. As 1 week contains 5 working days, 4 weeks contains 5 into 4 working days. 5 into 4 is equal to 20 working days. And during these 20 working days, he had worked 10 hours for each one day. Means total hours is equal to 20 into 10 hours, which is equal to 200 hours. Here we are talking about regular work or regular case. Here we are not talking about overtime. We have still not considered overtime work. Now for 200 hours, how much amount he is getting paid? For 1 hour, question has gave that 2.5 rupees. So for 200 hours, 200 into 2.5 rupees, which is equal to 500 rupees. So if a man works regularly according to time, he will get 500 rupees for 4 weeks. But in the question they have gave that he gets 550 rupees for 4 weeks, which means that he got 50 rupees extra. And it also says that he has worked overtime to get 50 rupees. And they have also gave that a man will get a payment of 12.5 rupees per hour if he had worked overtime. Now total overtime cost is 50 rupees. Per hour cost is 12.5 rupees. So total hours of overtime can be written as cost of overtime by cost of overtime for 1 hour. Now total cost of overtime is 50 rupees. Cost for 1 hour is 12.5. Dividing this we get 500 by 125. So here we get that he has worked 4 hours overtime. Now total working hours is equal to regular hours plus overtime. Regular hours are 200, overtime hours are 4 hours. So 200 plus 4, which is equal to 204 hours. So this is the final answer. So how many hours did he work? Means he has worked for 204 hours. Thank you everyone.